Hello guys! Today we're gonna do a try-on haul ng clothing from Dressin. So Dressin is a clothing store, online store for women. They asked me to choose 10 items from their website. Their prices are really affordable. Some of these are only $5, $6, $7. Parang high quality material siya. Oh, this one is like eyelet. Ooh, I got another. Okay, XL. I think I ordered all XL. There you go. This one is a tie front shirt. Oh, and then I ordered some pants as well. The dress pants. Okay. So, the dress pants, it's really nice. The quality is really nice. I was surprised. Okay, another one. Wow, nice quality. Oh, this is nice too. So, I'll also have a dress. Yay, a black dress. This is the tie front shirt. Pants. Wow, quality is really nice. I can't wait to try it. This is a tie front shirt. It's really nice. Maybe next time I'll order large. I love it. I like that it's long back. I love this dress. This is XL. I partnered it with my heel shoes. Oh, I love this dress. This is such a nice dress. It's kind of big in here. Maybe I should order large. So I have this one is blue and it's V-neck. Oh, I'm gonna try the black one. So this is XL. Again, it has this V-neck and it looks really nice. Another blouse, and I always choose V-neck. Material is stretchable. I like that. This is a really nice, like long sleeves, V-neck, button down, tie front shirt. I like that it's long back. I love the dress pants. It's just super long. So, but overall, it's a really nice quality pants for the price. So, again, it fits perfectly. I like the bow, and also it has pockets on both sides. Nice quality, but again, it's super. Wearing high heel shoes, still it's super long for me. Yeah, again, I love this dress pants or slacks, but it's just too long for me. Again, fits nicely on my waist. It has pockets. All of the pants that I'm trying on today have pockets on both sides. That's really nice, but again, it's just too long. But overall, the quality, I like the quality, and it's stretchable. This one is stretchable. So if you guys want to check out Dressin, I'll link it in the description box below. And also, I will put the link of all the clothes that I showed you today and the prices. Definitely check out Dressin. Link will be in the description box below. Hello guys! So ngayon, akin lang sasagutin yung isang viewer natin, pero siya nagpakilala. Yung pangalan niya is nakaiba, yung user, ganyan. User MO2CB4, something like that. So, ang sabi niya, she's not struggling, she's paid for by the health insurance that provides caregivers for senior Americans. Kaya siya matyaga. Instead of hiring caregiver, she will do it herself para sa kanya mapunta ang sweldo. So, hindi po totoo yun. Kinaklaro ko lang na kasi hindi naman citizen pa yung parents ko. So, kakarating pa lang nila dito. And right now, wala guys akong nakukuhang sahod para sa kanila. They have to wait years before ka makakuha ng ganong mga benepisyo dito sa Amerika. So, I'm doing it for free guys. And maganda nga kung meron para meron tayong pambayad sa bahay at sa kuryente. Pero walay. Kasi nga, bago pa lang sila dito. Wala guys akong bayad. Wala po akong bayad. Maganda nga kung may bayad. Kasi dito guys, pagka yung citizen ka and pwede ka, yung edad nila and pwede kang mag-apply as caregiver instead of yung iba yung mag-alaga, ikaw, yung kamag-anak or ako. And unfortunately, hindi pa sila, kailangan pa sila maghintay ng years bago ako makasahod. So, wala po. So, yung guys, bahay na pinagawa natin is, syempre, niloan natin yan. So, yung isa kong kapatid na babae pa, na nasa ibang bansa, is siya yung nagbabayad ng kalahati. Actually, ako yung nagbabayad pa ng kalahati ng kanilang bahay. So, and wala po akong sahod. Okay, so maling-mali po yon. Yung minsan yung mga tao, akala nila, alam nila yung nangyayari, para wala po akong bayad. Pero, kung may bayad, mas maganda. Pero baka maghintay pa tayo ng ilang years. Kasi, syempre, hindi pa naman sila citizen. So, yun guys. Kasi sa dito, senior Americans. Hindi po sila Americans. Kailangan mo munang, may pagdadaanan kang years before ka makakuha ng mga benefits. So, yun. So, kung gusto nyo pong mag-donate, humingi na ng tulong. So, kung gusto nyo pong mag-donate, pwede naman po. Pasensya na ate, mali ka doon. Kasi minsan nga talaga, maraming mga, at saka dito, totoo talaga yon yung sinasabi niya, sa kasawiang palad, wala po. So, yung ginagawa ko is all, because of, out of love. Sabi nga nung nagpunta ditong agent, kasi ako daw yung pinaka-available na anak. Sabi ng agent, no. Siya yung, may sinabing term, nakalimutan ko, walang bayad. Wala pa akong sahod. Maganda kung meron, pero wala talaga. Ito yung mga viewers na diskumpiyado. Which is, naiintindihan ko guys, walang problema. Wala namang problema doon. Kasi nga, hindi ko naman kinakwento lahat, diba? Tsaka hindi ko naman kailangan ikwento lahat. Pero ito yung comment niya. Baka sabihin nyo, nagkukunyari ako, ayan no. She's not struggling. Ayan no, diba? May bayad daw. Wala pa akong bayad. So, okay. Nag-apply nga pero hindi eligible. Parang, so sabi niya, so parang ibig sabihin, kung ginagawa ko to, kasi may sahod ako. Sana oil. Sana oil may sahod. So sa mga may sahod dyan na caregiver, balato naman dyan. Balato naman dyan. Yun guys. So yun lang guys. And, pero totoo talaga yung guys, inulit ko lang ulit. Totoo, pahabain na lang natin to kasi 7 minutes lang yung vlog ko. Kailangan ko maka 10 minutes at least. So, totoo yun guys dito. Halimbawa, meron kayong kamag-anak, dinala nyo ang parents nyo dito. Nag-permanent resident. After a while, 3 to 5 years, hindi ko lang kung, nakalimutan ko na kung 3 to 5 years, pwede ka nang mag-apply ng citizenship pag naging American citizen na sila. Pwede kang mag-apply as caregiver ng iyong magulang. Kung dalawa yon, pwede mo siyang applyan. Ikaw yung mag-aalaga. Yung ganito, yung ginagawa ko, pinagluluto mo, pinaglilinis, nililiguan, pick up ng medication, dala sa ospital, pag may ospital, pag may check-up, every check-up, dalahin mo sila. Ikaw talaga yung main caregiver. And then, ang gobyerno is, papasahurin ka nila talaga. Per or, siguro, ang allotted nila is at least 5 hours a day. Tapos merong kung magkano per ora. Totoo yun guys, meron talaga. So, 0 bayad. Ako pa nga yung nagbabayad ng bahay nila. Kasi yung isang kapatid ko nagbabayad. Siya yung nasa abroad. Siya yung nagbabayad ng kalahati. Ako yung nagbabayad ng bahay nila guys. So, actually, hindi ako nakakatanggap. Yung 3 kong mga kapatid na babae. Kasi yung dalawang babae na nandito sa Amerika sila yung sa pagkain, groceries, silang dalawa. So, yung isa Yun sa mga niluluto ko, siya yun. Yun namang isa, yung mga toiletries, shampoo, vitamins, kung ano mang kailangan na vitamins, or kung ano minsan groceries din, mga tinapay, kung ano mang i-text nila, or ano lang yun, tinatawagan lang nila, ganito, ano ang kailangan nyo, papadala. Kaya may mga nadating dito na groceries, minsan hindi ko na naipakita kasi nga hindi ko naman nababantayan lahat. So, mga vitamins, kung ano mang kailangan, kahit tissue paper na, paper towel, baby wipes, yung medyas, basta lahat ng kailangan nila. So, ayan guys, so, tigil na po yung mga agam-agam. Kasi meron pa ibang mga comment na ganun. Eh, pag hindi ko sinagot, eh di, dadami na dadami. Dumadami kasi sila guys. So, opo, mga after 5 years, ayun, makakasahod na talaga. So, yun guys, and, pero okay lang yun. Buti may mga ganun na comment. Kasi nga, minsan hindi alam ng ating mga viewers. Ganun, especially pag nasa Pilipinas tayo, hindi natin alam may mga ganung program dito. May mga benefits talaga yung mga Americans. Senior Americans. Ganun. So, yun. Kaya maganda dito sa Amerika. Pagka, yun, pag umidad ka na, marami kang, kahit yung mga benepisyo, marami sila. May mga allowance. Yun yan, kailangan mag-ano ka muna. Yun, kailangan citizen ka na. Yun. So, yun guys. And see you guys later.